Some do it for the money. Some do it for the fame. They do it for the common good.
People like Gary Sinise and others that come over there on the front line, they are part of the Army.
Discover the band that's taking rock to a new stage. From New York to Afghanistan and everywhere in between.
Gary's kind of like the leader of the pack, so to speak.
He makes it happen. It's the thing that's the most important to me, and I know it is to Gary.
The military, I'd have to say everyone who joins our military has a heroic vocation.
There's a kind of sacrifice that just cannot be ignored and I think needs to be honored.
No mistaking what we're there for.
I like to play concerts that people are going to walk out thinking it was better than they thought it was going to be. Because people don't have high expectations for an actor with a band, let's face it.
I just wanted to say thank y'all for thanking us.
Lieutenant Dan Band for the Common Good, now on DVD.